2024 Volkswagen Atlas. You got that hood latch broke from the inside. That hood latch right there, if that's broke, it's just flimsy. What you gotta do is open it, take this tire off, take the fender wheel and lining off. And you gotta reach up in here, and it's gonna be a connector. Get some of these out the way. It's a junction box right up in there. This cord attached to it. Boom, you get inside that junction box. You see that silver piece, you get at a good tug, and that hood will pop.